what defines the benefit and the safety of surgery isn't what the very best person can do, but rather what everyone can do. And if we can elevate surgery in such a way that people of ordinary ability, skill, and training can do surgery of the future that's better than the very, very best surgery of the very best surgeons today, then we've really changed the game.
We really see in our gun sights that we can achieve zero ultrasound use. So we're right there at the cusp with this technology.
So we ask ourselves every day, what does it take for a company to deliver this kind of technology? We're not worried about being the first to market, but we really put our energy into creating the best possible product, and we obsess over that.
So as we built out the OptiMedica laser and what became known as Catalyst, we made a lot of decisions to make sure that each and every part of it was as good as it could possibly be.
To me personally, it feels like it's been 8 years of high momentum, of high focus, concentration, and very hard work. Not just for me, but for the entire team. And that is what it takes to develop something as complex as this.
We've had to work on this from the early prototypes and then on through into the first manufacturing runs. And we continue today to make improvements on all of our processes and to ensure that, again, that our system is the best quality system that we can possibly deliver.
So the integral guidance is probably one of the most exciting aspects of the system. We've incorporated high-resolution OCT imaging and then combine that with sophisticated algorithms that are able to recognize all the features of the eye, both surfaces of the lens and both surfaces of the cornea automatically. What this means is we can capture the full three-dimensional image of the eye, which allows us to recognize any tilt of the lens automatically. The surgeon doesn't have to go in and do anything manually. They simply confirm the recognition of the features are correct and approve the treatment plan. And it's a much more elegant and simple way for the surgeon to complete the procedure.
The liquid optics interface doesn't only improve the optics on the eye, it improves the optics through the entire system. So that when OCT is used, the quality of the OCT signal is greatly enhanced because of these liquid optics.
We obsessed over every specification of the laser, the pulse width, the pulse energy, the pulse duration, the frequency, and we had to work very hard to get all of those characteristics exactly right. It took years of development, but when we finally got it right, we have a system that does capsulotomies and fragmentation of the lens perfectly.
For 40 years, we've helped technology entrepreneurs start and build over 500 new companies that now employ over 300,000 people. Companies such as Google, Intuit, Amazon, AccuSun, and Biogen Idec Pharmaceuticals. OptiMedica is already a success story, and the investor group are working shoulder to shoulder with the company to grow this even more rapidly worldwide. And we expect OptiMedica to be an iconic company and a publicly traded company very soon.
I think what makes Catalyst so remarkable is that this is an amazingly sophisticated technology. It has incredible capabilities, but you know, when you really know what you're doing, it should feel really simple and really straightforward. That type of outcome is a result of an incredible amount of collaboration, and it really says that we hit the mark in what we were trying to accomplish. I think you could look at cataract surgery going forward, and what we see now is a technological blank slate. It's a blank canvas to create on that can make us rethink implants, solutions, removal technology for the nucleus. It's a very exciting future that we see ahead in OptiMedica with our engineering capabilities, our interaction with physicians, the capabilities we have as a company is very committed to making sure that we take all the elements, even beyond catalysts, and drive those forward to take the procedure to entirely new levels.